Is your 2013 Kia Optima key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. Look for a CR2032 battery in the fob. Replace the CR2032 battery with a new one. This simple fix costs $5 to $10 and solves 60% of key fob issues according to AAA surveys. If the battery replacement doesn't work, try a push start reset. Ensure the fob is within 10 feet of the car, away from metal objects, and attempt to start the vehicle. Reprogramming covers another 25% of issues. If these basic steps fail, proceed to reprogramming your key fob. If a new battery and reset don't solve the key fob problem, reprogramming may be needed to sync the fob with the car's computer. Try the DIY method first. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the accessory position, then press the lock button on the fob 3 times. For more reliable results, consider professional reprogramming using a diagnostic tool, which typically costs between $50 and $100. Also, check if your 2013 Optima with VIN starting with CANATE 8AAA is affected by the 2025 recall for a software glitch. If so, schedule a free ECU update at a Kia dealer to resolve immobilizer issues.